How to unsend or undo message on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can unsend message on Messenger. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it you have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you got to do, go ahead and open your Messenger app, and after that open any conversation you want. Now you can type any message. For example, if I type hey, here you can see that I have sent a message. Now I'm gonna unsend this. In order to unsend this message, all you gotta do, tap and hold on that message until this appears. After that tap on more, and here you can see that three options here. Second one is remove. Tap on remove and then tap on unsend, and here you can see that message has been unsent. So following this simple process you can also unsend message on Messenger. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.